Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Audacity and loading the audio you want to compress. Select the region or whole track. Make sure you've trimmed silence and reduced extreme peaks. Once done, normalize or set a consistent pre-compression level so the compressor reacts predictably. You should duplicate the track now to compare before and after. This saves you from destructive edits. Make sure the selection is exactly where you want processing to start so the effect applies cleanly. Next, you open Effects Compressor and set parameters while listening. Lower the threshold until louder parts start to reduce. You'll see gain reduction meters move. Choose a ratio of about 2:4 to tame dynamics without flattening tone. Raise it only for heavy control. Pick a fast attack to catch transients and a medium release so the track breathes naturally. Use makeup gain to restore level, and a /B compare against the duplicate to confirm improvement. Finally, apply the compressor and listen through the entire piece, focusing on transitions and vocal clarity. If the result sounds squashed, undo and adjust makeup gain, attack, or ratio. Make small changes and reapply. Once satisfied, consider light EQ or gentle limiting for final polish. If you hear pumping or unnatural breathing, raise the threshold, shorten the release time, or lower the ratio. That usually fixes it. Export your process track and keep the original duplicate for safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.